Bitcoin, Trapdoor, or Springboard. This is going to be an update. Over the past couple of days, we have seen the scenario of the Trapdoor happen. But what could come next? We're going to cover that today. And then we're going to go into the pump dump chart for altcoins as well too. So if you can see here, we're on the daily chart for Bitcoin. You can automatically see we have prepare to buy soon signals. We have not seen those flash since September 6th of 2024, which ultimately looks like was the lowest point in the past 6 months. That was the lowest point. So positive to see that, but we're not quite out of the woods yet. We need to see that buy now signal flash. If we were to head a little bit lower, we have the 2618 breakdown extension at 84,302. We have the 200 moving average at 85,800. And then another one here at like 82 grand, as well as the 4236 extension is at 76,000. So if we're going to head lower, the lowest point I would say we need to find support at is 76K. And that I believe would have us fill the Bitcoin futures gap as well too. If we take a look at that, yep, that would have us fill the futures gap as well. So likely if we see the continued trapdoor happen, we're going to come to that $76,000 level. And that's where we could find that springboard. So all the way down here, springboard back up, and then we send it on our way. But we very well could see us get some support where we're at now. I mean, where we came to is very critical as the first level. But if you start to see that momentum continue lower, and until we see the 1 day buy now signal, we have to go with where the trend is at, and that's to the downside at the moment. So that's what we're watching. We're watching the 1 day, waiting for that buy now to come in. We have the levels there and waiting for the momentum to turn around. Looking at the pump dump chart on others, we actually wicked right back up to that same level that we did early February. So you can see here, same exact level we wicked up to. Right now, we're stuck below this level that we were at back in November. If we're going to see altcoins start to recover, we'd want to see this start to roll over where it's at right now. Looking at the 2 day chart, we're still heading up in the momentum. We need to see the 2 day, the 1 day, the 12 hour. We need to start to see that momentum roll over. But it's going to follow what Bitcoin's doing. So for now, we need to really dial in and watch. If that 1 day buy now is flashing on Bitcoin, then we can say the dust has settled. But until then, we're not out of the woods yet. So I wanted to shoot out this update as far as what I'm watching for Bitcoin and for the whole entire crypto space as well. So really, it's just a matter of once that 1 day buy now on Bitcoin comes in, we're out of the woods. But until then, we have these levels that we need to watch. So that's what I'm watching. I'll see you guys in the Discord and in the next video.